Hey guys, Brian here with Vet Source, checking in on day 2 of our dismantling, deconstructing our 1993 Allante parts car. As I'd mentioned yesterday, if you watched the video, I was going to focus on getting our rear bumper and other pieces, and today I kind of worked on getting our doors dismantled on the inside. Most of our interior dismantled. As you can see, I ripped all the dash components and everything out of there. Still got to get this dash skeleton out, seats, and all the other assorted good stuff in there. You can see, kind of looking at it with nothing in here, how complex this Allante is. There's a lot of relays and switches and things of that nature. Kind of a unique situation. One cool thing about it, these cars, remember I mentioned, were built in Italy. So here you have in Italian written on the bulkhead here, obviously before it was painted, the Rosso, I guess that's Rosso mi perlato. I guess that means Hawaiian red. I don't know what that means, so I'm going to have to look that up and see. But you can see over here the complexity of some of the subsystems and everything that's in this car. Again, a really well-built car. Fuse box actually right there in the middle of the car. You know, so I've still got to get the convertible top out of here. I need to get this assembly out of the way. This deck lid comes up and out, you know, right here. So I've got all this to take apart still. Deck lid hinges. So we'll get all that done tomorrow and show you guys what's left after that. We're going to keep processing. Hopefully by Saturday I'll have the rest of this finished, and then I'll give you another update tomorrow once I get the rest of the interior and everything else out of it, and show you guys what's left. Doors are actually ready to take off, so they just need to be removed at the hinges. Here you can see underneath a lot of the architecture underneath here, how complex it is. This would be your body control module, and there's another module. I think that's the ABS module up there. So lots of good stuff here, lots of ways to learn. And again, as a reminder, I literally tore this car apart with a basic set of hand tools, a 7mm, an 8mm, 10, 13, 15, and a couple of Torx bits and drivers. So it's possible to do. It's not very complicated. It just takes the willpower to get in there and start processing it. So if you're kind of a car guy and have thought about buying a parts car just to use for building another one, you know, definitely go for it, because you're not gonna come out on the back end of it in a losing state. Plus you get a lot of extra parts that you might need for your car. So like I said, just a quick update for you guys. Make sure if you want to see some more, there's a subscribe link right here to the left on my channel. Playlist link to show some of the other things I've been doing with these 4 Allantes to get them squared away. I think I'm going to end up with 2 of them at the end of the day. And then let me know what you think. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching again.